TopView has a very good alarm history system. If you're on the remote viewer and you come over and you click the tab at the top, which goes to alarm history and analytics, you can pick your date and time range here. And if you just hit search, what we'll do is it'll come down and it'll show you in a tabbed format all of your alarms. If you open this details tab, it actually shows you all the specific details about each individual alarm as well. You can change the date and time. You can do lots of different things here. If we came back and do 3 days, do search again, you'll see there are all kinds of alarms in here. You can also, if you store these as SQL Server, which we're not here, but it tells you can't because of the fact that you're not using SQL Server, but if you do store it as SQL Server, you can also put a comment on each alarm, and you can put a name of a user, and this will come back in history as well. You can click here to go to Alarm Reports, and this will show you an alarm report for the last day. It'll show you all kinds of details, or not the last day, but for this time period. Shows you all kinds of details inside of here, as well as each individual alarm that came in order. If you go to Alarm Analytics, you can see charts and reports of how these alarms came in. So if you want to, and you want to see each individual alarm, you can see it here. You can see how many times it came in. You can see the average duration. You can see a chart. You can see each individual point and its time. You can come here and you can just look at the different alarm occurrences by period. And you can also look at the active alarm count over time. The diagnostics are very strong inside of this software. You can also see this through the web viewer as well. So if you came back out and you ran it on the web viewer, all of the same information is available on the web viewer. So if you came in for remote access, you would be able to see it through any browser as well. As you can see, here we go, and let's change that to 3 days. You get your alarm counts per point and over time, as well as your diagnostics up here and all of your information down here.